This is not a normal photograph. It is taken from this 175-year-old camera protected by a man in Jaipur who is saving this tradition for last 3 generations.
Camera, the amazing invention which lets us capture the most precious and beautiful moments of our life and lets us revisit those moments whenever we want. Today, clicking a picture is just a matter of few seconds, but just until a few years ago, clicking a picture and getting its print was a lot of work. And if we go back to 1860, just a little after first camera was invented, imagining a 25 kilo camera is almost impossible. What is even more impossible is to imagine getting a picture clicked with such a camera today. But a photo magician in Jaipur, Rajasthan is making it happen. Just a few meters away from the most iconic monument, Hawa Mahal in Pink City, Jaipur, you will find Tikam Chand Pahadi with one of the last surviving 170-year-old camera in the world. This camera was received by Tikam Ji's grandfather from the Britishers and has been a part of his family for last 3 generations. With a charming smile, you will find Tikam Ji calling out to tourists and passerbys and requesting them to get at least one photo please from his open-air studio.
An 1860 camera, welcome.
Most people just pass by waving him off, but once a customer agrees, the photo magician comes into action and starts spinning the magic. Lens is adjusted, frame captured, negative developed, washed, camera glitches adjusted, negative mounted again, film exposed as the magician waves his hand in style, and finally the stunning vintage photo emerges from the dark room. His involvement in the process clearly shows his love for the camera.
ये कैमरा मेरे परिवार की तरह है और परिवार की तरह इसको मैं जी जान से चलाता हूँ और युगों तक चलेगा, मेरा ऐसा मानना है। चाहे कितना ही डिजिटल का युग आ जाए, चाहे कितनी ही तकनीकियाँ दुनिया में चालू हो जाए, लेकिन दादा परदादा तो दादा परदादा ही रहेंगे कि ये भी एक कैमरों का दादा परदादा है.
The camera protected by the image of Krishna for last 170 years has been witness to so much history, and the Carl Zeiss lens that has captured everyone from royal kings and queens to common people from far off villages has hardly any takers left today, and he has thought of shutting down this business many times. But Tikam Ji's reward more than the money is his happy customers who leave with a smile.
एक चीज़ और है कि कई लोग इसकी जब फोटो देखते हैं तो वो बड़े खुश होते हैं. फॉरेनर तो बोलता है वाव क्या वाव नाइस फोटो, और हिंदुस्तानी बोलता है तो वो बोलता है कि अरे यार भाई साहब फ़ोटो तो बड़ी ज़ोरदार आई है यार. और कई जब गांव से आते हैं लोग तो बोले अरे यार वाकई तो फोटो तो ऐसी बनाई है कि मारो दिल खुश कर दियो तू यार. मेरा दिल भी गदगद हो जाता है, मैं खुश हो जाता हूँ.
After his hard day of work, expectations, disappointments, and just a handful of customers every day, Tikam Ji wraps up his magic box and disappears into the hustle and bustle of the Pink City. Until next day when he comes back with a smile and a request for one photo please.
An 1860 camera, welcome.
So the next time you are in Jaipur and visiting Hawa Mahal, don't forget to come here and at least get one picture clicked and save this heritage. I'll see you in my next story.
बोलो खुशियाँ always.
खुशियाँ always. यहाँ से तो reveal. See you in my next story.
बोलो always.
Don't forget to come and at least click one picture here. Dialogue jumble. See you in my next story.
बोलो खुशियाँ always.
क्या ऊपर? Next story.
बोलो खुशियाँ always.